Embrace nature, designing rustic gardens for a peaceful retreat. Introduction: Discovering Rustic Serenity. Welcome back to the Grand Mansion channel, where we delve into the heart of rustic living. Today, we're exploring a topic close to many of our hearts: creating rustic gardens that serve as peaceful retreats. If you've ever dreamed of a sanctuary where nature thrives and tranquility reigns, this video is for you. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below to join our growing community of rustic home enthusiasts. Together, let's embrace the beauty of nature and transform our outdoor spaces into serene havens. The essence of rustic design. To truly understand rustic gardens, we must first grasp what makes this design style unique. Rustic gardens are all about authenticity and connection to nature. Think of using natural materials, organic shapes, and a design that blends seamlessly with the environment. Incorporating local flora and elements found in your surroundings creates a garden that feels both lived in and harmonious. It's essential to consider your climate and soil conditions as you design. A rustic garden is not merely a collection of plants, it's a living canvas that reflects the landscape around it, celebrating its imperfections and natural beauty. choosing the right location. Location plays a pivotal role in garden design. Observe your property to determine where sunlight falls throughout the day and where natural windbreaks exist. Areas that capture morning light are ideal for delicate blooms, while shaded corners can support ferns and shade-loving plants. Assessing the terrain and drainage is equally important. Rustic gardens thrive in well-drained soils. Embrace the contours of your land. A gentle slope can create a picturesque backdrop for a terraced garden. By choosing the right location, you set the stage for a space that resonates with nature's rhythms. Selecting plants for a rustic feel. Choosing the right plants is crucial in designing a rustic garden. Native plants not only thrive in your local environment but also attract beneficial wildlife. Incorporate a mix of perennials and annuals, layering your garden to create depth and interest. Think about textures. Combine soft grasses with rugged shrubs to evoke the wild beauty of untouched landscapes. Additionally, consider seasonal changes. A rustic garden should be vibrant in spring, lush in summer, and rich in color during fall. Selecting plants that offer visual variety throughout the year enhances your garden's charm and ensures it remains a peaceful retreat, regardless of the season. Incorporating natural elements. Natural elements are the backbone of any rustic garden. Stones, wood, and water features can transform an ordinary space into an enchanting retreat. Consider using reclaimed wood for garden furniture or pathways. These elements add character and tell a story of their own. Rock borders can define spaces while providing habitat for various insects and small wildlife. Water features, whether a simple pond or a trickling fountain, introduce soothing sounds and attract birds. These elements not only enhance the visual appeal but also create an immersive experience, drawing you deeper into nature. Creating cozy spaces. A rustic garden isn't just about plants, it's also about how we interact with our surroundings. Creating cozy spaces within your garden allows you to fully enjoy its beauty. Think about incorporating seating areas made from natural materials like wood or stone. A rustic bench under a sprawling tree can serve as a perfect reading nook. Use soft furnishings and throw pillows that complement the earthy palette. By creating intimate areas within your garden, you invite relaxation and reflection, making your outdoor space an integral part of your home's charm. embracing sustainable practices. Sustainability is a fundamental aspect of rustic gardening. Embracing organic gardening practices not only promotes a healthier ecosystem but also enhances the beauty of your space. Composting kitchen scraps and garden waste creates rich, fertile soil. Avoiding chemical pesticides and herbicides encourages beneficial insects and wildlife to flourish. Consider permaculture principles, which advocate for a self-sustaining garden system. By nurturing your garden sustainably, you cultivate a vibrant, resilient ecosystem that contributes positively to the environment while providing you with a tranquil retreat. Adding personal touches. Personal touches are what truly make a rustic garden yours. Consider adding handmade elements, such as pottery, sculptures, or decorative stones that reflect your personality. Perhaps you have family heirlooms that can find a new life in your garden. Planting flowers that have sentimental value, like those from your grandmother's garden, can evoke cherished memories. These personal touches not only enhance the visual appeal but also create a narrative within your garden. By intertwining your story with the landscape, you forge a deeper connection to your outdoor space. Conclusion: a sanctuary awaits. As we conclude our exploration of designing rustic gardens, remember that these spaces are more than just collections of plants, they are reflections of who we are and what we cherish. By embracing nature and infusing your garden with personal touches, you create a serene retreat that invites peace and contemplation. We hope you feel inspired to start your own rustic garden journey. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and share your garden experiences. Together, we can cultivate a community that celebrates the beauty of rustic living and the joy of nature. Thank you for watching, and until next time, may your gardens flourish.